pero medyo nagtampo na rin ang Rain or Shine. Kasi bakit daw lumabas sa media na may offer siya sa Japan? Sino kaya naglabas noon, Pao?
Ewan ko sa'yo.
Ha? Sino naglabas yun?
Alam mo, dyan ako
Ah,
believe sa'yo, no? I mean, publicly, although I ask you about this, ang ano mo dyan, ano? Sabi ko nga, kinakausap ka pa rin pero naglalabas ka na ganito. Hindi ba nagtatampo sa yung ibang tao na
hindi
ikaw
naman.
nagbe-break ng news, no?
Because
Galing mo, ang galing
the,
mo.
the
Parang may
thing is,
gayuma ka.
no,
May,
Pao, I think if you approach with professionalism and you just make them understand na ano, like for instance, very sensitive topic is ang sweldo. Di
kaya
ba?
nga, sweldo. Binabanggit mo pa yung sweldo. Usually, sweldo ko, hindi
Pero,
ko sinasabi sa tao.
pero, yeah, because you're not
Hmm.
a public figure pa in a way na, in a way na uh, isang PBA player na may salary cap, may
Hmm.
comparative salary sa
Okay.
ibang ano, wala namang nagkukumpara sa pasweldo mo sa ibang outlet, di ba? So, for
Hmm.
instance, si Roger Pugoy had just finished a 3-year contract with TNT. Alam mo ba yung sweldo niya, Pao? The last 3 years?
Hmm.
In year 1,
100.
sa extent, 7, 8, and 9.
Okay.
Yung 9, yung sa last na. So I'm curious na tinanong ko na, uy, 1 million ka na ba? Kasi nag-agree ka sa contract extension. And I tell them, na sensitive sila, na, ba't daw ilagay ang about? Sabi ko, because like sa NBA, na open You can go to a dedicated website ng NBA, makikita mo yung sweldo. Because
Ah.
it's also comparative kasi para malaman natin reference point Uy, 900 800 sweldo mo, magkano ba sa Japan B-League? Ganon yun,
Ay,
Paul. That's the
ang
reason for it.
pagkakaiba
Hindi
nga
tayo
lang, sa
get.
NBA, parang medyo nasusunod yata yung cap doon. Ito, parang ang daming maneuvering eh.
Oo, kasi ang salary cap kasi is only 420 and
Yun na nga.
here na ano na. That's
Dapat
why we
baguhin na
say
lang. No? Daw, lagi mo na naman sinasabi
dapat
na baguhin na lang.
wala na salary cap to make it competitive, di ba? So
Mm.
yun ang sinasabi because there is a limit kasi may memo ang PBA na 420 lang ang max. So
Mm.
magtanong yung mga listeners natin, ba't naging 9? Because wala namang limit ang allowed bonuses and perks.
Mm.
So yun, that's why all of them want to play for San Miguel and Ginebra and TNT kasi the more you win, the more bonuses you get. Di
Okay.
ba?
Okay.
Oh. So yun.
Pwede ba tayong
Next,
ano?
meron ba? Yeah.
Pwede ba
Yeah.
tayong pumunta ng international question? Related to, I
Yes.
think you'll be interested. Sir Homer,
Yeah.
and I saw this earlier. Thoughts on Thiago Splitter as the head coach of your
Uy.
Bulls?
Uy. Woo! Well, it's a great coach. Thiago Splitter played for the San Antonio Spurs. Won a championship. Ala, 20 na lang yung battery ko pa, ha? So, uh,
Ikaw eh, habang mo sumagot eh.
yeah. Pao, to make long story short, has championship pedigree, learned from the best, Greg Popovich. So, he will bring those tenets, the winning tradition dyan sa Chicago Bulls, dito sa
So you
amin.
like it, kumbaga in short, you like
Yes,
that.
I like it. A big thumbs up.
Okay. And wala kalokohan na wala na kalokohan na iba eh.
Wala na.
Na, oo.
Blondet
Ito.
na tayo, Pao. Oh,
Boss
okay,
Pao,
okay.
ito siguro maganda to. Kasi ikaw nag-break din ito eh. Na baka matrade si ng Batak eh. Saan kaya siya matrade? Sabi dito
Well, he'll
ni
go.
Joey Eli.
Joey, one of the destinations is return to sender. Terra Firma. Or Titan. Pwede din. Blackwater, pwede din. Kung makuha si Bearfield. Diba?
Hello Boss Pao, Homer. Can I ask about what's the rights of Jamie Malone? So is there a chance na matrade yung rights niya?
I don't think so. He will never. Why would they? Diba? Pagdating ng 3-year ban, kasi magwa 1 year lang yung ban niya di ba? Magwa 1 year na, almost, in a couple of months. So, konting antay na lang, pwede nang babalik sa PBA. The last time I spoke to Jamie Malone, so like, I think 3 months ago, tinanong ko siya, hey, what's up, man? Sabi niya, looking for a team working out here in the US. Alam mo ba sino ka-workout niya not long ago?
Hmm.
Player ng Converge. Medyo kulot ang buhok.
Mm. Best friend mo din yun, di ba?
Yeah. Former TNT player. Yan ang ka-workout niya sa LA. Not long ago, nag-workout sila.
Okay.
Which was funny because actually, yung kampo ni Mikey Williams, this was like around December, lumapit sa akin. Di ba yung naglaro ng SEA Games? Di ba? Naglaro ng SEA Games, ano? So, may nagbulong sa akin, kampo ni Mikey Williams. Pwede mo ba i-reach out si Jamie? Sabihin na, baka, ma-endorse niya si Mikey for a team or whatever. Diba? So, I'm like, okay. Connect ko kayo, message ko, ganito, ganon. And then, the irony is that ngayon, si Jamie ang walang team. Si Mikey ang nasa Converge. Yeah? It's weird how life works sometimes.